Hi, we're Team SKIMs, and SKIMs stands for Sensors for Knee Intraoperative Measurements.
Our research project is creating a data acquisition system for a sensor that can be placed in the knee before a meniscal repair surgery.
So the way that it works is the sensor is placed into the knee right before the surgery and right after, and it measures contact forces within the knee that can then be correlated with long-term osteoarthritis.
Working with the HSS team allows us to get feedback from the surgeons on the device that we are making.
We are really happy to work with the Hospital of Special Surgery with Dr. Chen and Dr. Maha.
So one surprising aspect about our project was the fact that we had to continuously find new ways to overcome challenging obstacles. So we really were able to work with surgeons and within our team to brainstorm effective solutions to these challenges.
I chose Cornell's BME M.Eng program because it was incredibly industry focused, and it also gave me access to a vast network of alumni.
I chose Cornell because I really wanted to gain hands-on industry-focused experience in the medical device field.
Our project is really unique because we were all able to find our own niche. For example, Marsha became our expert at creating the user interface.
Kathryn became our go-to with the boot.
Lily became the master of our hardware.
And Howdy was the driving force behind our sensor positioning algorithm.